My nail drill came in right on time, so I'm going to be unboxing it today and show you how it works. I have two nails that fell off, so I'm going to be using it. The box came with a manual, and this is our nail drill. And this is our power button. Please ignore the flashing. It's just the camera that's making it flash, but it's not flashing in my hand. Okay. The speed goes from 0 to 30, and it's easy to control. It's my first time using a nail drill. So it's beginner friendly, it's easy to control, and it comes fully charged. It comes with a C charger cable, no base, and it has different types of tips included. And this is how we'll remove our tip to replace it. Twist it one way to unlock it and twist it the opposite way to lock the tip in place. And I'll be using this tip to clean out the glue from my nails. And you can adjust the tip, place it all the way in or however it's comfortable for you. And you can see it's very easy to use, my first time, and it's easy. This is something that I couldn't use my buffer to do because it would mess up the nail. So I'm just cleaning out all the old glue, and I'm also using a separate tip to get off the extra glue that's around my cuticle area. So now my nails are ready for me to replace them. So I got my drill right on time, and I've been using it quite a lot since I got it. I think I made like 4 sets out of it, and I've done some repairs, and I still haven't charged the battery, so this is impressive. I just wanted to show you the forward and the reverse button. It says R above the battery. When you press that button, it goes one way, and then you press the button, it stops and goes the other way. Alright, and the power button, you long press it to turn it on and off. And once it's on, you short press it to pause it, short press it to start it, and then long press to turn it off. And these are my nails, the same nails that I had, but I buffed them down a lot with my drill, and now they look much better.